Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. Do you know, it's incredible what you pick up, isn't it, when you're going out talking to different businesses and what they're doing to develop and grow their own businesses and to increase the profits. And one of the things that sort of came to mind today with a client is where he was explaining to me that, he's cash poor but asset rich. And really what he meant by that was that his business is in a situation at the moment where there isn't much cash in the business, so he's struggling to find a way to develop and grow the business. But actually by remortgaging his principal residence, his home, he can release a lot of the equity in the property, use that money in the business to buy products that he can then have manufactured and imported to the UK that he can then make very nice profits on. And of course, perhaps back in the day, that was not so practical when interest rates were so high. But he was explaining to me that really within the situation, he was going to be borrowing the money, the equity from his own property, at something like 1.75% as an interest rate, which of course is incredibly low. So it just kind of motivated me to put out my lean in message today to other business owners out there that if you're thinking about trying to get some cash into the business, which you can then reinvest to buy products or to do something that will help to develop and grow the business, then maybe, just maybe, there's an option there to look at your home or your principal residence and see whether releasing equity from that home is one way of developing and growing your business and having the capital to be able to do that. Anyway, just a thought I'd share it with you. I'll let you have a good day. Take care. Bye.